A Rogers Xfinity TV Box reset returns the device to a functional state, fixing software issues and preparing it for reuse. There are two main types: system refresh, which is a soft reset, and full reset, which is a factory reset. A system refresh clears temporary data like cache and app logs without erasing settings. It often resolves minor glitches like buffering or UI freezes. To perform it, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device reboots. Alternatively, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Restart. A full reset erases all data, reverting the device to its out-of-box state. This is recommended for severe issues or before selling the device. It involves formatting internal storage and reinstalling firmware, requiring re-authentication of accounts. To start a full reset, go to Settings, then Device, and select Factory Reset, which may require a PIN. Alternatively, use the physical reset button on the box while it's powered on. Make sure to back up any important data before performing a full reset. For a system refresh, press and hold the power button on your Rogers Xfinity TV box for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. Alternatively, go to Settings, then System, and select Restart. For a full factory reset, go to Settings, then Device, and select Factory Reset. You may need to enter your PIN. If your device has a physical reset button, use it while powered on. For remote access, log into the My Rogers app, select your device, and choose the reset options. Always back up your data before a full reset, as it will erase all personal settings and data. Trends show a shift toward app-based and AI-assisted reset methods, so check the My Rogers app or Rogers support website for updates. Ensure device compatibility before resetting to avoid service disruptions.